Welcome back to Money Mindset. In today's video, we're going to tap into the wealth building wisdom of one of the leading experts in personal finance, Ramit Sethi. Ramit Sethi's first tip is all about automating your finances. He believes in setting up automatic systems to manage your money effectively. By automating your savings, investments, and bill payments, you ensure that your financial goals are consistently funded, and you avoid the risk of overlooking important financial obligations. Sethi's second tip emphasizes the importance of earning more, not just saving more. He encourages individuals to focus on increasing their income through various means, such as negotiation, skill development, or entrepreneurship. By expanding your earning potential, you can have a larger pool of resources to allocate towards wealth-building activities. The third tip from Ramit Sethi centers around investing wisely for long-term growth. He advises individuals to educate themselves about different investment options and develop a strategic investment plan. Sethi believes in a diversified approach to investing and encourages individuals to invest for the long haul, benefiting from the power of compounding over time. Sethi's fourth tip is to prioritize your spending on what truly matters to you. He believes in conscious spending, where you allocate your money towards the things that bring you joy and align with your values. By focusing on spending money on what truly matters, you can find a balance between enjoying your present life and building wealth for the future. Last but not least, Ramit Sethi's fifth tip is to constantly learn and grow. He emphasizes the importance of financial education and personal development. Sethi encourages individuals to invest in their own knowledge, learning about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. By continuously expanding your skills and knowledge, you can make informed financial decisions and adapt to a rapidly changing world. I hope you found these Ramit Sethi-inspired wealth-building tips valuable. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. So, keep learning, keep growing, and never lose sight of your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay on the path to financial abundance.